Ex-U.S. Pres Donald Trump fights with judge during testimony in civil fraud trial. It has been accused that Trump, his sons Don Jr. and Eric, and other executives in the Trump Organization inflated the value of their real estate assets by billions of dollars in order to obtain favorable bank loans and insurance terms. During his testimony, Trump clashed with the judge so much that the judge told Trump's lawyer to control his client. Former U.S. President Donald Trump clashed with the judge on Monday, November 6, as he testified in court in the New York civil fraud case, as he became the first former U.S. president to testify as a defendant in more than a century. His court appearance came just a year before presidential elections take place in the USA's Trump, 77, testified. He accused Judge Arthur Engoron of issuing fraudulent verdicts. He lashed out at New York State Attorney General Letitia James as political hack. James has brought the case against Trump which threatens to severely affect his real estate empire. He called me a fraud and he did not know anything about me, Trump said of the judge, who was sitting right next to him, before calling the trial a political witch hunt. The former president was admonished by the judge as he testified in court. "This is not a political rally," said Judge Engoron. "Please, just answer the questions, no speeches." A visibly angry Engoron even told Trump's lawyer at one point to control your client for his court appearance on Monday. Trump was dressed in a dark blue suit and tie and wore an American flag on his lapel. He said that it was a crazy trial, and it was very unfair. He alleged that the case was brought against him by Democrats, coming after me from 15 different sides. It has been accused that Trump, his sons Don Jr. and Eric, and other executives in the Trump Organization inflated the value of their real estate assets by billions of dollars in order to obtain favorable bank loans and insurance terms. Trump denied allegations that his company's financial statements were fraudulent. They were not really documents that the banks paid much attention to. He said adding that the value of the Trump brand was not considered in the valuation of assets. "I became president because of my brand," said Trump as he was being questioned by Kevin Wallace, the lawyer who represented New York Attorney General's office. Time equals 400 Ms. greater than before Trump's testimony. NY Attorney General James told the media that Trump had consistently misrepresented and inflated the value of his assets. "Before he takes the stand, I am certain that he will engage in name-calling and taunts and race-baiting and call this a witch hunt," James said. "But at the end of the day, the only thing that matters are the facts and the numbers, and numbers, my friends, don't lie." Trump has repeatedly lashed out at James, who is African American, and has even called her a racist. The former president has also gone after Judge Engoron, who presided over proceedings during Trump's testimony. He has called Engoron unhinged and a Trump-hating radical left Democrat operative.